In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Freshdesk URL. Whether you're new to Freshdesk or just need a quick reminder on how to locate your unique URL, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the steps to make this process as smooth as possible. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Freshdesk website. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're there, your next move is to click on the login button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page, but if you're having trouble finding it, just look for a button that beckons for your attention. After clicking on login, you'll be prompted to type in your email address. Go ahead and enter the email associated with your Freshdesk account. After you've done that, click on the continue button to move forward. Now you're in your Freshdesk dashboard. The next step is critical, so pay close attention. Look for the admin section. This button is your gateway to many of the backend settings of your Freshdesk account, including, yes, you guessed it, your Freshdesk URL. After you've successfully located and clicked on admin, prepare to dive deeper into the settings. Within the admin panel, your next target is the account option. Clicking on account will take you closer to finding your Freshdesk URL. It's like a treasure hunt, but instead of gold, you're searching for valuable information to help streamline your customer service. Once you've clicked on account, it's time to narrow down your search even more. Look for the help desk settings. This section holds the key to your quest. Click on Help Desk Settings to unveil the final piece of the puzzle. Finally, under the Help Desk Settings, you'll find the section labeled Help Desk URL. Here lies your Freshdesk URL, proudly displayed for you to note, use, or share with your team members. This URL is unique to your help desk and will be the address you, your team, and your customers will use to access your support portal. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through Freshdesk to locate your unique help desk URL. Remember, this URL is an important part of your customer support system, so keep it handy for quick access. Before we wrap up, a few quick tips. Bookmark your Freshdesk URL in your browser for even quicker access. If you're part of a team, make sure all relevant members have the URL and understand how to access the support portal. That concludes our tutorial on how to find your Freshdesk URL. Whether you're setting up your support system for the first time or you just needed a quick refresher, I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Freshdesk's support team. They're always ready to help you get the most out of your customer service experience. Thank you for joining me in today's video, and here's to offering stellar support to your customers.